Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 34a, Surah Falaq, verses 3, 4 and 5. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 149 words which occur almost 32,180 times in the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of the daybreak. من شر ما خلق. From the evil of what he created, that is, his creations, which include everything. However, the next 3 verses talk of 3 specific evils: غاسق, darkness; النفاثات, those who blow, meaning magicians; and حاسد, jealous person. What is common in them? We won't know if the harm is in our way from these 3 things. Only Allah can protect. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. وَمِن شَرِّ, and from the evil of غاسق, darkness. إِذَا and إِذ both mean when. إِذَا وَقَبَ, when it becomes intense. Most of the evils, such as indecent and immoral acts, happen at night. Similarly, it is easier for the thieves and enemies to attack at night. Staying awake late is also evil because it makes it difficult for us to get up for Fajr. It is harmful to health too. You lose the excellent opportunities of morning work in addition to losing your good health. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. وَمِن شَرِّ, and from the evil, النفاثات, those who blow. You have to blow to say it, نفاثات, so remember that. في العقد, in the knots. النفاثات في العقد, meaning the magicians. Magic or sorcery is a big test from Allah. If the one who is affected by the magic doesn't have strong faith in Allah, he may start committing shirk and do un-Islamic practices to find the solution. If you are afraid of magic, just recite this surah. And don't forget the shaitan, who blows into 3 knots on the back of our heads every day to stop us from waking up for Fajr. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدٍ. وَمِن شَرِّ, and from the evil. حَاسِدٍ, of the envier. إِذَا حَسَدٍ, when he envies. If you receive something good, a jealous person wishes that you lose it and he gets it. If not, at least you should lose it. He will try to destroy your reputation, work, property, or hurt you. We ask for Allah's protection from all these evils. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.